Getting off at Wimp Junction. Hello all, it's Gregory Martire, local team lead and coach, mentor here in real estate. Talking today about getting off at Wimp Junction. So it's sort of a comical term. What does it really mean is have confidence and stand your ground. We don't have to get into a fight. We don't have to raise our voices. We don't have to act in any other way, but to stand your ground. So when you're getting pushback from a prospect or a client or a vendor, heck, we don't have to get off at Wimp Junction, pushing back on home inspection repairs, or perhaps sellers like to push back all the time on come after our commission. You don't have to get off at Wimp Junction. Stand your ground, hold firm with some confidence. Again, we want to do it with respect and with professionalism, but don't be the first one off the train. Stand firm. And you're worth it. Remember that. Hope this helps. If you find this helpful, hit that like button. While you're hitting buttons, hit subscribe, hit comments, hit that bell notification, and hit me up if you need anything at all. Glad to help. Have a great day.